Gyrene is an engineering company designed to tackle tough engineering problems such as water filtration and providing clean drinking water throughout the world. Our system is able to pull water from streams and even polluted waters. We created a Swiss Army knife of water filtration systems where we're able to harness and gather water throughout the environment, such as from our atmospheric water generation to our reverse osmosis system, where we can take water from any body of water. Our atmospheric water generation works very similar to an air conditioner, where we cool the air, and what we are doing is condensing that moisture through the process of creating a dew point. And that causes the water to drop out of the air, and we collect that water. The number one major issue that we've been seeing is water and water quality all throughout the world. With numerous disasters and economic situations, clean drinking water is not available to the masses. And so we hope to be able to help bridge that gap. And at this moment, we are helping out in this world. And so that's what drives us further in this endeavor. Designing these products, I do have my two daughters in mind, because this product is not just for the world, it's actually for the next generation. What people don't realize is that they tell other kids that I have purified water in my water bottle when they bring it to school. One of the challenges that we had was the weight of the product. And while we were designing the product, we were always trying to see where we could remove that weight. We used the SolidWorks simulations in order to reduce some of that weight by understanding some of the stress concentrations in the materials. And with that tool, we were able to reduce about 20% of the weight just using the software simulations. As with all businesses, the financial side is always a challenge, where running numerous tests cost a lot. By using the simulations, we were able to reduce the number of physical tests needed in order to validate our product. We found that SolidWorks offered the best choice of modules, and it'll allow us to be able to have all of our engineers scattered throughout the world, but work on a common product. With SolidWorks, we were able to collaboratively work on a product simultaneously, and preventing us from overriding each other's work, and that really simplified our engineering challenges. Everybody has a right to clean drinking water. Gyrene, we have created a product to solve those challenges, and we are currently on the path to deploying these systems throughout the world.